to further clarify and maybe enlighten everyone a little bit more about the value of what we have. There are thousands and thousands of digital products out there. There's thousands of digital products with MMR. Excuse me, that means master resale rights. We are different. Why are we different? Because we're not just a digital product. We are a digital program. Because we are being taught by a mentor who earned $1 million in 17 months. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Let me take a little drink here. And she has she documented her success steps. So she has put together this legacy builder program for us to teach us the exact steps that she did to earn 30K in 90 days. So that's an average of $10,000 a month. She made her first 6 figures in 6 months, and now she's up to $1 million in 17 months. So in our digital program, a couple of things to enlighten you about. 100% profit. Many people have done MLMs, and you've been an affiliate, and mostly MLMs and affiliates are only earning 25 to 30% of their profits. With us, when you sell one $900 product, you are putting $900 into your bank account. There's no one above you who is making anything from you. And I might point out, it takes less effort to sell one $900 product than it does to sell one $9 tube of lipstick in MLM. It's like pulling teeth because we have the proper guidance and training to attract the customers to us. For example, one product gives you $900, as you can see. If this was an MLM or network marketing company, you would only be receiving $225 of that 900, which means you would have to make at least 4 sales of $900 just to make $225 per sale. And if you're in an MLM selling a lip gloss and only earning $9 commission, you would have to sell 100 of those to make $900. It's really less effort to sell one $900 product than it is to sell one lipstick. And that is because of our mentorship, our interactive mentorship. We get on Zooms, we have mentoring, we have breakout rooms. We are always sharing, helping, and teaching each other. And our mentor is constantly giving us more info and daily steps to succeed as well. So anyone can follow the blueprint and succeed.